Hello my loves, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 15 effortlessly elegant and chic casual outfits that will elevate your spring wardrobe in 2025. Think clean silhouettes, fresh neutrals, and timeless staples, all inspired by that refined, feminine aesthetic we adore. Whether you're strolling through the city, enjoying a coffee date, or stepping into a stylish office setting, these looks will have you feeling polished and put together. Let's jump right in. This first look is all about structure and softness. A beige linen blazer drapes effortlessly over a white fitted top, paired with high-waisted off-white straight-leg jeans. So clean, so fresh. Finished with beige pointed toe mules and a white handbag, this look is perfect for an elegant day out in the city. Here's a dreamy contrast of blue and white. A light blue striped button-down, casually tucked into high-waisted wide-leg white trousers, creates that breezy, effortlessly put-together look. Gold hoop earrings, a woven straw bag, and brown leather sandals complete the look. So chic for a sunny brunch. This sage green tie-front blouse gives off effortless luxury. Styled with white wide-leg trousers, layered gold necklaces, and brown platform sandals, this look has a relaxed yet refined touch. A woven straw tote completes the ensemble for that perfect blend of modern and coastal-inspired elegance. Crisp white relaxed fit. You can never go wrong with a crisp all-white look. A slightly oversized white button-down, tucked into white high-waisted wide-leg trousers, is the epitome of clean sophistication. Paired with brown leather sandals, a tan leather handbag, and black sunglasses, this is the definition of understated elegance. Timeless black and neutrals. A touch of contrast with a beige knit sweater draped over a fitted black sleeveless top, tucked into high-waisted black tailored trousers. White pointed toe flats and a black crossbody bag add a refined balance. This look is perfect for a museum visit or an elegant coffee date. Blue striped button-up and denim maxi skirt. A structured blue and white striped button-up meets the relaxed elegance of a denim maxi skirt with a front slit. Gold bracelets, a white woven handbag, and brown heeled sandals complete this effortlessly chic, timeless outfit. Sleek, monochrome elegance. If there's one combination that always looks expensive, it's monochrome neutrals. A fitted black top tucked into high-waisted cream-colored tailored trousers, layered with a structured black blazer, creates a sleek, powerful look. Add black lace-up heels and dark sunglasses, and you're set for a polished, high-fashion moment. Minimalist neutrals. Simplicity is key. A black sleeveless high-neck top tucked into beige wide-leg trousers, accessorized with a woven straw bag, brown leather sandals, dainty gold jewelry, and black sunglasses, makes for an effortless yet striking spring outfit. Elegant blue and white contrast. Yes, we love this look so much we had to mention it again. A light blue striped button-down with white wide-leg trousers, a woven straw bag, and brown sandals. This is the ultimate formula for refined spring dressing. Power dressing in monochrome. Who said casual can't be powerful? A black tailored blazer over a black fitted top paired with structured white shorts creates an ultra-chic contrast. Styled with black strappy heels, a brown leather handbag, and oversized sunglasses. This look is bold, modern, and endlessly sophisticated. Casual chic denim and white. A classic crisp white button-down, tucked into straight-leg blue jeans, gives that effortless French girl chic vibe. Paired with a structured black handbag and woven sandals, this is the perfect look for an easy, polished day out. Minimalist linen and soft neutrals. Lightweight linen for spring? Always. A beige linen oversized button-down, tucked into high-waisted white linen shorts, styled with tan leather sandals, a woven raffia tote, and delicate gold jewelry, gives an effortlessly polished feel. Light and fresh power dressing. Nothing says sophisticated spring like a white blazer over a white blouse, paired with straight-leg blue jeans. With a quilted white handbag, brown leather sandals, and statement black sunglasses, This look is fresh, feminine, and fashion-forward. Green striped oversized shirt and denim shorts. An oversized green and white striped button-up shirt, layered over a white crop top, and high-waisted light-wash denim shorts. Paired with a green baseball cap, oversized sunglasses, a small green crossbody bag, and green slide sandals, this outfit is perfect for a casual, sporty chic look. Effortless blue and white. Last but not least, a light blue oversized button-down shirt, tucked into cropped straight-leg blue jeans with a white sweater draped over the shoulders. Styled with beige woven sandals, a structured white handbag, and gold jewelry, this look is effortlessly polished and perfect for spring. And there you have it, my loves. 15 effortlessly elegant and chic spring outfits to inspire your wardrobe this season. Which look was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more elegant style inspiration. Until next time, stay stylish, stay elegant, and I'll see you soon. Bye, loves!